Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to embark on a journey into the realm of automotive innovation. Join us as we delve into the story of the second generation Toyota RAV4 EV, a fusion of Toyota's legacy with Tesla's cutting edge technology. Standing shoulder to shoulder with Elon Musk, Akio Toyota's bold move symbolized a commitment to innovation. However, even amidst their collaboration, the specter of competition loomed. Fast forward to today, and the landscape looks vastly different. Tesla, once a fledgling startup, now stands as a titan in the automotive industry, with a valuation surpassing even the most established names. For Akio Toyota, this meteoric rise poses both a challenge and an opportunity. With Tesla's dominance on the rise, Toyota finds itself at a crossroads, navigating the shifting tides of the industry. But fear not, for Toyota is not one to back down from a challenge. In this video, we will unravel Toyota's ambitious plans to reclaim its position at the forefront of electric mobility. Ready to learn more? But before we continue, you can show some love by hitting the like button, dropping a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Let's dive in. In 2010, Toyota embarked on a groundbreaking venture, joining forces with Tesla to birth the Tesla-powered RAV4 EV. Priced at nearly $50,000 and exclusive to California, this electric marvel boasted a respectable 100-mile range. However, despite its innovative prowess, the RAV4 EV struggled to find its footing in the market. But this collaboration wasn't just about selling cars, it was a strategic move aimed at navigating the stringent EV mandates set forth by the California Air Resources Board. For Toyota, it was a chance to dip its toes into the electrified future, while for Tesla, an opportunity to bolster revenue and scale up battery production. Yet, beneath the surface, a clash of cultures brewed. Toyota, with its conservative manufacturing ethos, collided head-on with Tesla's daring, Silicon Valley-inspired approach. While Toyota hoped to glean Tesla's agile decision-making and risk-taking spirit, they found themselves grappling with an organizational misfit. By 2014, the partnership had fizzled out, culminating in Toyota selling off its stake in Tesla. What began as a promising collaboration ended in divergence, as the divergent corporate cultures proved insurmountable. Had Toyota retained its stake in Tesla, it would be sitting on a potential windfall of $17.3 billion today, boasting a staggering return on investment of 34,600%. Fast forward to the present, Toyota's CEO finds themselves in a new paradigm. They've made no secret of their competitive stance against Tesla and Elon Musk, with eyes set firmly on the future. Toyota is doubling down on their efforts to create an electric vehicle that will not just rival, but surpass Tesla's dominance. Ready now, folks, for a car showdown! At this time, Tesla sped past Toyota in market value, leaving Toyota CEO Akio Toyoda feeling a bit steamed. Toyota threw some shade Tesla's way, saying they're just selling a fancy recipe for the future, while Toyota's the whole kitchen with a master chef. Himself, perhaps? This translates to a massive variety of vehicles for Toyota. Electric, hybrid, gas-powered, even hydrogen-powered. Tesla, on the other hand, is all about electric vehicles. But is Toyota a little out of touch? Why would Tesla owners have recipe books instead of cars? Well, there's more to the story. Toyota is secretly betting that electric vehicles, EVs, won't be the only dish on the future's menu. He thinks the winning automaker will be the one with a whole buffet of choices, not just a single electric option. But here's the twist. While Toyota throws shade at Tesla's Elon Musk, he also admits there's something to learn from them. He believes Toyota's diverse menu, will win in the long run. But Toyota doesn't stop there. He throws some serious shade on the entire EV industry, warning that a rapid electric shift could wreck the car business model. Plus, he questions the eco friendliness of EVs, arguing that building all those batteries and relying on fossil fuel powered electricity plants might not be so green after all. So, what's Toyota's secret weapon to beat Tesla? You might think they'd abandon EVs altogether. Nope. Toyota's actually investing heavily in EVs alongside their hydrogen and hybrid projects. Seems like Toyota's got a lot cooking, and only time will tell if his recipe for success is the tastiest. Hydrogen technology has long been touted as the beacon of the future, with hydrogen being the most abundant element on Earth. However, the reality paints a different picture. Its technology is grossly inefficient. Imagine a race between hydrogen vehicles and electric vehicles, where each step of the process seems to whittle away at the energy potential. It's like watching a marathon runner gradually losing steam with every mile. At the starting line, we have 100 kilowatt hours of energy potential, but as the race progresses for hydrogen vehicles, it's like they're stumbling over hurdles. First, there's the AC-DC conversion, which saps 95% of the energy. Then comes electrolysis, where another 75% is lost. The compression, transportation, fuel cell conversion, and finally, powering the vehicle itself all chip away until we're left with a measly 23 kilowatt hours, barely a fraction of what we started with. Comparing this to electric vehicles is like putting a sleek sports car against a clunky old jalopy. While hydrogen struggles to retain its energy, electric vehicles are like efficiency champions, maintaining a whopping 69% of their starting energy. It's no wonder Elon Musk dubbed hydrogen insanely dumb. Even Toyota's chief engineer admits that Musk has a point, advocating for the straightforward approach of plugging in an electric car. But despite these glaring inefficiencies, Toyota seems to be sticking to its guns, investing in hydrogen technology with a stubborn resolve. The chairman's stance seems almost defiant, as if refusing to accept defeat in the face of overwhelming evidence. It's a curious contradiction, knowing full well the shortcomings of hydrogen compared to electric, yet forging ahead regardless. It's a testament to the tenacity of Toyota's management, even if it means swimming against the tide of progress. Flipping the coin over, Toyota has been working on a new battery technology. This sodium-ion battery promises a much longer range for electric vehicles, potentially exceeding 1,000 kilometers, and at a lower cost. However, this technology seems far off. Instead, let's focus on Toyota's solid-state battery, expected to be revealed in 2021. Toyota leads the pack in solid-state battery patents. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries with liquid electrolytes, solid-state batteries use a solid material, leading to potentially higher energy density and faster charging times. Despite Toyota's claims of 10-minute charging and 310-mile range, these batteries likely won't be in production cars until 2025. This delay isn't surprising considering Toyota is launching 6 new EVs between 2020 and 2025. These include various vehicle types co-developed with other companies. However, Toyota's sales target of 500,000 EVs by 2025 pales in comparison to Tesla's expected millions. This suggests Toyota prioritizes offering a variety of vehicle options over focusing solely on EVs. While Toyota's management's adherence to multiple clean energy pathways might appear stubborn, their financial health suggests they're not on the brink of collapse. Their $10 billion debt is dwarfed by their $5.6 billion cash reserves, and their profitability even during a pandemic underscores their financial resilience. Their true test will come when electric vehicles become the dominant force. Ultimately, the competition between Toyota and Tesla is not a zero-sum game. Both companies push the boundaries of electric mobility, fostering advancements that benefit the entire industry. Consumers win by having a wider range of choices and a faster pace of technological development. The future of electric vehicles is not yet written. Toyota's strategy may not be a ridiculous plan to outsell Tesla, but rather a bold bet on a future with multiple clean energy solutions. Only time will tell which approach proves most successful in navigating the complexities of a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. And that's a wrap on our exploration of Toyota's ambitious yet controversial strategy to outshine Tesla. What are your thoughts on this bold move? Do you think it spells the end for EVs, or is there still room for innovation and competition? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your opinions. We can't wait to delve into your insights in our next video. Until then, stay curious and stay tuned.